Hey everyone, welcome back to the Makartt YouTube channel. I am your host for today's tutorial, Bex Maria. I'll be showing you how to achieve this gorgeous autumn nails using these 3 different products from Makartt. They will be linked in the description as well, so check that out. Make sure you watch till the end to see how I achieved this look. First things first, apply base coat on all the nails. With the thumb, I will be doing a French tip. It's easier said than done, but I use this method that I'm showing you. So it's just drawing the lines and then filling them in. This method, I find it's easier to get an accurate French tip. So if you're finding it hard to do French tip, try this method and let me know how it goes. I use the brush just to fill in the larger areas instead of the thin liner brush. I do cure as I go along to make life easier and just so it avoids smudging as well. So with French tip, I will also apply the clear top coat from Makartt. This will all be in the description, by the way, so check that out. And then using a thin liner brush and the rhinestone glue, I start doing swirls on the French tip only. This is just one finger. I will be doing different designs on each finger just so it can represent some nice autumn vibes. For the pointy finger, I am drawing around the shape of my nail, and then I will be going in and showing you how I do the eyeshadow design. After finishing off with the pointing finger, I'm going to cover my middle finger with a full brown. This again, I will show you the design in a minute, but it's just because I am planning ahead. Back to the pointing finger, I have applied top coat, and then using an eyeshadow palette, I'm dabbing on some brown eyeshadow and then sealing it in with a top coat. Then going in with the rhinestone glue, I just place dots over the nail. This is because I want to add on some gold balls to bring that nail to life, just to enhance it a little bit more, just to look a little bit more prettier. That's what I'm doing on the pointing finger. Going back to my middle finger, using the glue, I'm placing dots on one side of the nail. This is because I wanted to do like a 3D effect. I thought might be like the easier method, and then I'll draw the lines with a thin liner brush, but as you can see, it kind of didn't work out the way I imagined it in my head. So what I'm going to do is literally use the tip of the rhinestone glue, which is really good. I love how it's pointy. It makes life so much easier with drawing like larger areas. With one of my other middle fingers, I'm going to do the tortoise shell. So starting off with orange, and then I apply blooming gel. With this, I discovered to make sure that the nail is thinner, I apply a thin layer of blooming gel, and then going in with a lighter brown, I start placing that all over the nail, letting it bloom slowly. So just do like some random shapes. That's basically what I'm doing here, as you can see. And this, I think this is just makes it so much easier. Don't cure it yet. And then what I'll be doing is allowing that to bloom, and then going in with a black gel polish. I start applying that over the brown and allow that to bloom as well. But at this point, I'm going to try to be as quick as possible. I will be curing that before it's too much. Then moving on to my pinky finger, I wanted like a flower. This I'm using blooming gel as well. Apply blooming gel, and then using the same shade of brown that I used for the tortoise shell, I'm basically placing like little circles and allowing them to bloom. After that, I'm also using the black to apply on top before I cure. This is just so it can all tie in together. Cure that, and then using the rhinestone glue and some gold balls, I apply that in the middle of my flower. Seal it all in with top coat, and you are done. I do love how this finished look came together. It's very trendy, very autumnal, perfect for this season. So what did you think of the nail tutorial? What type of products or nail styles would you like to see more of? And also don't forget to like and subscribe for more nail art tutorials. We will be releasing more, literally from beginner friendly to trending nail designs as well. So you don't want to miss that. Thank you so much for watching.